Hi and welcome. I am here today with Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an MI control center. So first we have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for MI control center. Now you have to install this application, which is called MI Control Center Notifications and Quick Actions. Install it. Wait for a short while. It has to check for viruses. Okay, we are good to go. Tap on the open button in the bottom right corner. Welcome to MI Control Center. Now we have to give several permissions to the application. Dual SIM, allow accessibility more services. Here you have to go to downloaded apps, MI Control Center, and then choose use MI Control Center. Allow. Okay, now right. Allow modifying system settings. Let's go back. All the permissions pop up in background. We have to go to NFC. Tap on always allow and home screen shortcuts always allow. Let's go back again. And the last thing to do is just to give notifications access. MI Control Center. Allow notifications access. Now we have to wait 5 seconds to click on accept, and now we are good to go. Tap on yes, I agree. And now if you move your finger from the top to the bottom like this, as you can see, we get this neat looking MI control center. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.